What's the meaning of AFTRA? AFTRA. 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 AFTRA stands for American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, which was a labor union that represented actors, broadcasters, singers, and other performers in the entertainment industry. It was founded in the United States in 1937 and merged with another union, the Screen Actors Guild, in 2012 to form SAG-AFTRA. AFTRA's mission was to negotiate and enforce contracts, promote performers' welfare, and advocate for the interests of its members. Through its various initiatives and programs, AFTRA had a significant impact on the entertainment industry and helped to improve the working conditions and compensation for performers.